3D MAXpider car mats are waterproof and luxuriously contour fitted to offer 100% protection for your car floor, preventing dirt from slipping in from the sides. Our patented MAXpider anti-slip technology prevents the mat from sliding and jamming the accelerator. To remove light dirt and dust, tap it lightly with our beater. Its high quality meets all international standards with a lightweight, soft thickness that's also remarkably easy to clean and maintain. Spillages can also be easily wiped up and cleaned, with leftover stains scrubbed off gently with carpet cleaner before rinsing off and setting aside. Unlike conventional carpet, our mat's unique material dries very quickly. Once it's done, you can effortlessly place it back into your car.